This 2023 Winnebago Adventurer 35F is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, LP detector, Slideout, water heater, awning, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, refrigerator, smoke detector, air conditioning, leveling jacks, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.